Good morning, everyone. Today is December 2nd, Tuesday. So I give a little bit about recap yesterday and things to know before the bell and what's going to look like today. I'm going to do it for multi-purposes, for educational purpose now and into a multi-platform. So I'm going to show my script actually on the screen. So then the somebody that who want to learn English can follow the word is easier. That's the feedback I get from when I uploaded this to another platform, in Chinese platform to talk about English version of the U.S. stock market. So and I hope this is gonna be. I'm gonna try something different. So hopefully this will get a good feedback and helpful for other people. Um, U.S. stocks gained on Tuesday as vaccine progress further boosts equity hit hardest by the pandemic. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite rose to record highs. Dow in at 29,823.92, while S&P 500 at 3,662.45 and Nasdaq at 412,455.33. Electronic vehicle company XPEG symbol XPEV first rebound after releasing good news that it delivers rose 342% year over year in November, but lost momentum during intraday, ending lower at 52.36. Collier continued to tumble for a day, and KNDI Candy Technologies continued to fail due to investigation of possible violation of federal securities law. Despite Zoom beat both top and bottom line expectations, stock was tumbled by 15%, just slightly above 400. Tesla stock was up after confirming it was added to Nasdaq 500 on December 21st. Bitcoin fell as much as 6.3% to 18,157.38 before climbing back above 19,000 level. WTI crude dropped by 2% to around $44 from last week high of 52. Spot gold jumped around 2.3% to level 1815. The things to know before the bell. Global stock edged lower despite the UK's approval of Pfizer and BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. All US futures are in red, and Dow is down approximately 130 points, and Nasdaq futures down 55 points, which is around, probably still in 30 minutes before the bell. A potential no-deal Brexit, the going in past the U.S. on physical aim, and President-elect Joseph Biden's lack of clarity on Chinese tariffs drove pre-market lower. ADP monthly employment report, it is expected to have added 410,000 jobs. This non-farm number came in as 307,000 versus 410,000 forecast, so which is kind of 100,000, 103,000 lower below the consensus. Couple of retail store earning on their way, gas and Five Below. English 8th annual industrial conference will be held virtually, include 3M, GE, Baker Hughes, Virgin Galactic Holdings Incorporated. And my prediction is now, describing the phenomenon. Daily coronavirus case remain at elevated levels. While Congress have reconvened to negotiate new stimulus deal, no proposal has garnered support from both party leaders, and tension between U.S. and China again could drive market lower. I would like to see if the prediction is correct, that S&P will fall 7% before end of the year. Well, 7% kind of high, but it could be 5% potentially. I mean, there's no really major reason causing it except pullback because people trying to take the gain and maybe fearful of the market, or maybe restructure the portfolio. So I will always say the same to you. If you have stock on that can be capitalized and profit, you may like to take some of them. Obviously, you have to pay tax on it because it's a year end and it's fit into the 2020 tax payment. You always want to strategize and get the right stock into your portfolio. So it's also a good time to look at what you own and trying to, restructure, reshape. And this is what I did on pandemic. In March when things were really bad, I decided to basically sell my stock at a loss, and we bought anything that kind of at a discount level. and then the V-shaped recovery happened, next few months, and I actually got a lot back and in a better shape. So something that you may have to think about, while taking a loss or even taking a smaller gain and pocketing is painful, you may be the right thing to do, and then you just have to pick up some other good stuff for next year, 2021. And I'm still looking into my list, and because the list have 100 stock that I pick, and I need a short list to 10, and then I need to really look at some of them that really go into detail. So I will get back to you guys as soon as possible, probably in next video this week, to determine a few of them that can consider buying. And maybe because the market will pull back, will make it more excellent time to buy instead of buying it at a premium. If you like my video, please give me a like or subscribe. Have a nice day.